So I'm just going to create the relationship in the model. So I go to the model view on the left here. So there's our two tables, and I need to connect them. So we're going to connect them on date. So I drag that date over to the one I want to link or create a relationship, and it's order date. So drop it there, order date. This is the relationship here. I'll just check it's on order date. Yes, it's date and order date. And it's a one to many relationship. And that's the direction of the relationship. So date will be able to filter sales. Now I'm going to create the measure total sales. So click here on the data view, and we're going to create this measure inside in sales. So press the three dots there and new measure. So we override that, we call it total sales equals, I'm going to use the function sum. SU, and you can see it on the list here, sum. So it needs a column. So that's going to be the sales amount. So just key in amount, and you see the list just gets, there's only one column that has amount in its name. So that's the one I want, sales amount. So press tab on that. And there's no need to do a close bracket when you just have one open bracket here in Power BI. So press return, it'll put the close bracket in for you. So you see it there, the close bracket. And we just want to get the formatting correct. It has the comma, and just make 0, so no cent. So we'll just save that then. So just like now, at any point we can export a template if we want to use it next time. So I'm just going to export a template at this stage, and we have our sales and date tables in. So click on File, Export, Power BI template. So includes date table and let's say sales table as well. Okay. And I'm just give it a different name. So click AdventureWorks and just call it AdventureWorks 2. So this will be a template file off to one side. So we just say save then. So EW2, the PBIX file is still there. That's what we're working on, but we also now have a template file, AdventureWorks 2.